The Best Uni, JoJo Sip, Josephine Godfrey. When you get those digits, when you get that place that you are going to be housed at, let me know immediately so that I can send your birthday gift. It's in your favorite colors, red, yellow, and black. Something to put on your walls. I finished it, completed it, and it turned out really, really nice. Just for you, baby girl. Just a housewarming birthday gift, all in one. Just want to give you that sneak peek. So let me know, and this will be coming through for you. I love you, girl.